I want to explain something for those of you who are not familiar with Panama real estate. It's not uncommon here for owners or agents to begin showing apartments before the current tenant moves out or before the unit is even ready. So sometimes you're walking through someone's home while all of their belongings are still inside. And depending on the tenant, that can mean dishes in the sink, laundry drying, boxes, pets, or just everyday life happening around you. For some people that feels awkward, but personally, I actually think there's value in seeing how a space functions in real life. So today, we're going to tour a 2-bedroom apartment, look at the building amenities, and take a driving tour of the neighborhood. Welcome to what apartment hunting in Panama can really look like. Here's another 2-bedroom and grand tower. Hello, my name is Aisha. I travel the world with cerebral palsy, sharing the real side of expat life, honest travel tips, and my journey towards multiple citizenships. At 46, I left my career as a utility director and moved to Panama. 31 countries and counting, I'm proving life abroad has no limits. As soon as you enter the apartment, you have a half bath to the right of the front door, with a vanity and a closet next to the half bath. The kitchen has an oven, microwave, and a gas stovetop. It has lots of counter space. Beyond the kitchen is the maid's quarters, washer, a missing dryer, and a full bath. The room is being used as an extra closet. You can get an idea of the cabinet space in the kitchen by walking back from this direction. In front of the kitchen, you have the dining and living room area. I think this dog wants to attack me, but we're going to quickly move by him and check out the balcony, which may be my favorite thus far in all of Panama. The balcony is designed for enjoying the fresh air and ocean views. This is one of those outdoor spaces where you could realistically spend a lot of time. Balconies can completely change how an apartment feels, and this one caught my attention and gave me some ideas for the future. The first bedroom is being used as a kid room, which has enough room for bunk beds, a desk, and some other small furniture. It has a ceiling fan and an AC unit. Behind the bedroom door is the closet. There's a full bathroom with a walk-in shower and a vanity. The main bedroom is quite spacious compared to the other one. It has a ceiling fan, AC unit, its own balcony, enough room for a bed, 2 night tables, and chairs. The full bedroom has his and her sinks, a walk-in shower, and a vent fan. Now, after years of apartment hunting and living in Panama, I honestly think occupied apartment tours can teach you a lot. Because staged apartments are designed to sell you a dream. But lived-in apartments can show you reality. You start noticing how sound travels, how much storage people actually need, how balconies are really used, whether the lighting still works with furniture inside, and whether the apartment still feels comfortable once life is happening inside of it. And yes, sometimes occupied tours feel awkward and can turn you off if it's cluttered, dirty, or full of stuff. But they can also help you make smarter decisions, especially if you're moving to Panama for the first time and are only looking at the view. Have you ever toured an occupied apartment before? Did it change your mind one way or the other? Let me know in the comments because I know this experience can feel very different depending on where you're from. This building has amenities galore. The ground floor has a pool that looks out over the ocean, and it has ample seating space. They have a really nice game room beyond this working space. In the hallway, they have separate bathrooms for men and women. All the way at the end of this hallway, past the bathrooms, you have a movie room. Their amenities don't stop there. They have 2 spa rooms, one for men and one for women. And at the end of the hallway that has the spas, you have the gym. They also have rooftop and other spaces that you can rent out for events. The front entrance has a ramp from the carport. There are railings along the stairs of the pool. They do have ramps in the spa and gym areas. The gym has a ramp to access the bathrooms, but the bathroom doors look a bit narrow to fit a wheelchair. The hot tub has stairs, but no railings to enter it. Its location is in the upscale Punta Pacifica neighborhood. You're just a hop, skip, and a jump away from Avenida Balboa, Multi-Plaza Mall, and cultural attractions and key business hubs. And while Punta Pacifica is known for its skyline and high-end residential towers, it's also practical. You have a foodie grocery store, coffee shops, dry cleaning, 2 pharmacies, all within this neighborhood, as well as the JW Marriott Hotel, which has several popular restaurants. Right next to the hotel is a casino, and there's also a rooftop bar with stunning views of Panama Bay and the city. I want to give a special shout out to the channel members for your continued support. It means more than you know. Gracias! I also want to give a shout out to those who have donated via Buy Me a Coffee, aka a Mojito, also to those who have commented, shared, liked, and given video hypes. If you enjoyed this type of content, watch this one up next. And remember, the world is yours. You just have to find your place in it.